Hi, welcome back to Addley Precision. I'm Mike. Today we're going to show you guys the SKS tri-rail scope mount. Now, what puts this apart from the other scope mounts we manufacture is this is a smithed mount. It comes with all the tools and hardware required to install this. It's incredibly easy to install. I did my first one at my kitchen table in about 30 minutes. Now, what puts us apart from the competition is the 3-rail design, as you can see here, which offers a wide range of versatility and options when it comes to attaching your optics or other accessories. It also allows for continued use of the open sights, stripper clips, and you can even install a short optic on the top rail, still using your stripper clips, or utilize the forward side rail for a longer optic. Being bolted to the action, it still allows for the ability to field strip the firearm without losing positioning of your optic. It also doesn't take the ability to maintain your open sights out of the picture. Also available in the SKS mount is our slimline, which is essentially the same design with a little added simplicity by eliminating the 2 side rails. Now, this mount still permits you to install a short optic and use your stripper clips. And still, with the addition of our offset scope rings, you can utilize a longer optic and again maintaining the use of your stripper clips. Now, one other thing that you might want to decide to add to the SKS is our SKS shell deflector. This will also fit the SVT40. Bolts directly onto the open sight with the use of 2 set screws. Deflecting the ejected shell casings out to the right of the firearm. Now, being bolted to the open sight allows you to flip it up out of the way for use of your stripper clips, servicing the firearm. As well, we do have it relieved to maintain the use of the open sights while the shell deflector is installed. So don't forget to check us out at addleyprecision.com for all our products and services available.